because they're like the biggest feature on her face, like the biggest part of her face other than her beak. So if you just draw two like egg shapes on either side of the center guideline, so one over this side, and one on the other side. Two egg shapes on either side of her face. Like so. You see? Yeah, all one's bigger than the other. And then we're going to create the top part of Daisy's nose, so like the top of her beak. So we're going to join these two together with a little hill in the center. So it goes up and over. Like so. Done the top of the beak, we're going to do the main part of her beak. So we're going to start here in the corner. So I'm going to draw it and then you draw it because this is really hot. Kind of difficult to explain. You start here, you go around, like you go down and round, and then back in the middle, like so. So you go round and back up, kind of like a swoop. Swoop round and back up to the middle. Back up to the middle, and I'm going to get in front here because I'm going to. That creates. Then we're just going to draw a couple little dimples on the side here. One on there. One on there. She does have dimples. We've done this part. We're now going to do her cheeks. So we'll go up from where we've on the eye, and we'll do a hill over here joining into her beak. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. So from the side of the eye, do a little hill, and join back onto the beak. Top part of her beak, we're going to do the bottom half. So this part is like a little V shape, but it's not. It's kind of like a little trough. That's how I describe it. I don't know. Like it goes like sort of down, it comes round, and then goes back. Like this kind of shape. Parallelogram? Is that what a parallelogram is? It's a three-sided shape. It doesn't have a top. That's the bottom part, and then we'll need to do the inside of her mouth as well. So it's the same shape again, just inside. She does have her tongue in the middle. People do mistake that for a tooth sometimes, but it is her tongue, and it just goes in the center. By this guideline here, you just draw a little triangle to create her tongue. It's not her tooth. We're going to move on back onto the top half of Daisy. So we need to do her eyebrows, her bow, her eyelashes, and then her pupils. So we're going to start with the eyebrows. They go over the eyes, like so. So one over this side, and then the same on the other side. So it just like follows the shape of the eyes. No, they do not connect in the center. There's a gap in the middle. So to do the bow, you just start with in the center of her head at the top here. Just start with a circle. Like so. And then if you're any good at drawing bows, just draw a bow on the top. It's pretty self-explanatory. You go up from one side. Oh, that's massive. And come back down. And then join at the side of her head like so. So it's like a little mound on this side. And then you do the same thing on the other side. Go up. I can't see what I'm doing, so go down. And down. Just join Daisy's eyebrows to the rest of her face. So we put a couple little hills on each side to join the cheeks in, from the edge to the center, and then go along our original guideline circle to join the sides of her face together.
もうデイジーに見えるんだけどね。
Top of her head, so just
どうい
here.
うこと思った下か。
Connect that to there, so it's the bow on the top of her head. Now we just need to do her eyelashes, eyelids. So these on the top of the eyes, you just do a little curved line over like so. And then the same on the other eye to create her eyelids. So now she's got eyelids, she still doesn't have pupils, but still got it. Okay. Now she needs some eyelashes. So we just do 3 little eyelashes on each side. Just 1, 2, and 3. And then do the same on the other side and try and make it even. It's not going to happen. 3. Like so. Is her pupils, so we just draw them smaller circles in the center. Like so. Now she looks more human, more duck, should I say, as opposed to human. And then she just has one little random line along her beak here, just to give it some more shape. Along here. And that. Now the only thing we have left to do is shade her in. So now we're shading this part here on her mouth, so not this part, but this part. Just shade all that in. So if you shaded in the eyes beforehand, you're finished. It's done. There we go. Now you should have a completed daisy.
Oh wait, I need some daisy.
If you'd like